Hi foodies, today we're gonna have a little fun making tilapia fish. You need roasted garlic, soya spice, seasoning, ginger, fresh garlic, salt and pepper, red and yellow bell pepper, green pepper, habanero pepper, tomatoes, olive oil, vegetable oil, and fresh rosemary leaf. Chop your garbage aside. First, get your fish, wash and pepper dry. Make 4 inches cut to the side and do the same to the other side. Add tablespoon of olive oil and mix roasted garlic, soya spice, ginger, salt and pepper. Then take the fish and cook the mixture. Heat the vegetable oil in a frying pan over a medium heat and throw this bad guy into the oil until it's golden brown on both sides, about 5 to 6 minutes. While the fish is cooling down, now for the sauce. Blend the vegetable together in a blender. Keep the vegetable oil in a frying pan over a medium heat and add onions and fresh garlic. And then add your blended vegetable and stir for 5 minutes. Serve with chopped cabbage and enjoy.